Good morning, class. We now take up the exercises and question answers of the chapter The Media in India. Come to page 236. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Radio and television are electronic means of mass communication. So fill in the word electronic, ELECTRONIC, electronic. Number 2, dash is a print media. Here you'll write press and in brackets write newspaper, magazines, journals. I repeat, press and then in brackets you will write newspapers, comma, magazines, comma, journals, JOURNALS, bracket closed. Number 3, political parties are the foundation stone of democracy. DEMOCRACY, democracy. Number 4, the electronic media operates in accordance with the Broadcasting Code, BROADCASTING, Broadcasting Code. Number 2, multiple choice questions. Number 1, the print media includes all of these. And what are these? Newspapers, magazines, journals. Political base to the political movement of democracy. To be. Number 3, media provides information about everything with transparency. 3B. Number 4, media creates the general awareness and right public opinion. 4B. Come to the third exercise, very short answer type questions. First one, what do you understand by media? Right, page 229. Can you see the first paragraph? What is media? Mark. Media comes from medium, a way through which one can communicate with the other. So, letters, posters, emails, public meetings are forms of media. There is also mass media, whereby you communicate with a large number of people, which includes TV, radio, newspapers, internet, etc. This is your answer 3-1. Come to question number 3-2. Question 3-2. Which is the most important tool of social expression and change? Page 230. Come to the first paragraph of important agencies of mass media and media. Begin from here. Mass media denotes a section of the media especially designed to reach a large audience. After that, come to the next paragraph. Mass media includes internet media like blogs, message boards, podcasts, Facebook, and video sharing, because individuals now have a means to exposure that is comparable in scale to that previously restricted to a selected group of mass media producers. This is your 3-2. Come to 3-3. What compels politicians to keep their promises? Right, page 235. First you'll write 235, then 234. That means first we'll go to the 235 page, then we will come to 234. Okay, open page 235. Here, can you see the conclusion written here? Come to the center part, 1, 2, 3, fourth line. Media is like a watchdog. Did you get it? Mark. Media is like a watchdog in a democracy that keeps government active. Mark till here. Now come to page 234. Second paragraph, role of media. Second line of the second paragraph. It is the media only who reminds politicians about their unfulfilled promises at the time of elections. The excessive coverage by TV news channels during elections helps people, especially illiterates, in electing the right person to the power. This reminder compels politicians to be up to their promises in order to remain in power. This is your 3-3. Did you get it? The first part is on page 235. Continuation of it is on 234. Did you get it? Coming to 3-4. What has cast doubts over media's credibility? Right, page 234. Can you see impact of media? Mark. Leave the first sentence, come from first paragraph, second sentence. Excessive coverage or hype of sensitive news has led to communal riots at times. The illiterates are more prone to provocations than the literates. Constant repetition of the news, especially sensational news, breeds apathy and insensitivity. Mark till here. Then come to the next paragraph. Commercialization has created a stiff competition in media. Marked. This is your answer, 3-4. Did you get it? Come to the fourth one, true or false. Radio, television, cinema, etc. fall in the category of electronic media. True. For 2, cinema is an important medium for information and communication of ideas. True. For 3, media has played a significant role in spreading the cherished goals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. True. For 4, a free press is not a good asset for any country. False. Underline not and cross it. So the correct answer would be a free press is a good asset for any country. Number 5, press is the lighthouse of democracy. True. Number 6, the media enables the public to reject the views of the political leaders. False. Underline reject and write there, be aware of. Be aware, B-E-B, aware, A-W-A-R-E, and O-F, off. So the correct answer would be the media enables the public to be aware of the views of political leaders. Number 7, the media compels politicians to keep their promises. True. Number 8, the freedom makes the press bold and forceful. True. Come to short answer type questions. 5-1, in what ways does the media play an important role in a democracy? Right, page 233, 234. Come to page 233. Come to the last next lines, role played by media in a democracy, underline, democracy means a system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect their representatives. Mark till here. Come to the next page, 234. We are doing 5-1, isn't it? Come to role of media. Mark the first paragraph. Media plays a crucial role in shaping a healthy democracy. It is the backbone of a democracy. Media makes us aware of various social, political, and economic activities happening around the world. Mark till here. Come to fourth paragraph now of the same heading, role of media. Mark, the media also exposes loopholes in the democratic system, which ultimately helps government in filling the vacuums of loopholes and making a system more accountable, responsive, and citizen-friendly. Marked, this is your answer, 5-1. Come to 5-2. What is the role of media during elections? Right, page 234. Okay, come to the second paragraph. And in the second paragraph, you have marked 3-3, isn't it? Now it is a part of your 3-3 answer. Please check the third line there. Can you see the excessive coverage? Mark it from here. Your answer 5-2 begins from here. The excessive coverage by TV news channels during elections helps people, especially illiterates, in electing the right person to the power. This reminder compels politicians to be up to their promises in order to remain in power. Television and radio have made a significant achievement in educating rural illiterate masses, in making them aware of all the events in their language. Mark till here. This is your 5-2. Now 5-2 has a little portion of your 3-3 answer, but a little portion. It has more than that also. Please, and the video is getting recorded, so if any doubts, you can come back and check it. Clear? So now we come on to 5-3. What is public opinion? How does media create it? Write the page numbers. Page 229, 230, and 232. I repeat, page 229, 230, and 232. Let's go on to page 229 first. Come to the last line of that particular page. As such, can you see? As such, in a democratic country like India, the mass media or different methods to contact masses and influence their opinion have an importance of its own. Mark till here. Come back to the page 229. Come back after marking this much. Come back to page 229. Can you see what is public opinion? Something written in pink. Now you will write this. Public opinion is the distribution of opinions and attributes held by the public. Okay? Did you get it? पहले तुमने नीचे का मार्क किया 229 से 230 पे चले गए. Again you came back and you wrote this definition. Clear? Now let us move on to which page? 232. Come to this heading where it is saying mass media and public opinion. Mark, the public responsibility and controlling power of the mass media are organized for the benefit of the citizens and by protecting universal rights, both through the Constitution and the regulations. Only till here. Only till here. This is your answer, 5-3. Got it? Coming to the last one, 5-4. What are the different electronic media? What are the different electronic media of mass communication? Just write down their names. The different electronic media of mass communication are, come on, tell me, radio, TV, come on. Electronic kahan hai? Electronic media of mass communication.
Ma'am, cinema.
Cinema. Next. No, that will be coming in TV, no? And internet. Okay. These are the different electronic media of mass communication. Huh? The answer is radio, TV, cinema, and internet. Fifth, third, that is, I have recorded. You can come back and see. So with this, we finish this chapter.